And you read that title correctly? The way my list be lisping. Okay. Hi guys, and back to my channel, That Chocolate Bake with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make a vegan sushi bake. Let's get started. Alright y'all, so as y'all know, I'm always losing 10 pounds and gaining it right back, and today is no different. I want to do like a more light, easy recipe. Y'all know we love sushi on this channel, okay, any shape or form. So I usually do a sushi stack or raw sushi. So today I was like, you know what, I believe the internet went viral probably 3 years ago on a sushi bake. And so I said, let's do that. It seems simple, easy, convenient, a good meal prep recipe, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, let's make the sauce to go with our seafood bake. First, we're gonna take a half a cup of mayo. Next, we're gonna put in about a capful of rice vinegar. Then we're gonna go in with some Dijon mustard. And here on this channel, baby, there is no limit to how much garlic you wanna put on anything, okay? Now we're going in with some sea salt, and this is completely optional, but I wanted to put a little miso in there to give it more of a umami flavor. Now for our seafood, okay, y'all see what I did there, huh? Okay, anyway, we're gonna use some heart of palm and some artichoke hearts. Now I already like how these heart of palm are cut, y'all, so I didn't do any extra cutting. I thought they were gonna be circular, so when I saw they were in stick form, I said, okay, cool, let's go our lobster, and my artichoke is my lump crab. Yes, let me have my imagination, I can do that. I'm gonna go in with some kelp granules and some Old Bay because we're making seafood, okay? Yes, I made the same corny joke again. Another ingredient that's completely optional, I put in some vegetarian oyster sauce, and I'm in my lazy garlic and lemon era. Y'all already know that, so I use some garlic paste and lemon paste. Please make sure they are vegan, and yes, using the fresh ingredients is always better. Now we're gonna put in our mayo mixture from earlier, mix that in, and I'm adding in some chili paste. First, I was gonna go in with a tablespoon, and I was like, let's up it up and put another tablespoon. Now I wanted to add some color, okay, and a bit of flavor, so we're gonna put in some smoked paprika, just a little bit, you know, paprika be in the building. I was satisfied with the taste at this point, but not with the color, so now we're gonna use some plain paprika. You know, she don't come in and bother nobody. She come in, do her job as decoration, and she leaves, okay? So add as much as you would like to. It is March 2025 and I still don't own a rice cooker, so here we are using microwavable rice. But look, y'all, I bought some black rice too, so we got white sticky rice because that's what they use for sushi, and black rice for health, okay, period. Now I'm adding in some sesame seed oil to our rice mixture as well as some rice vinegar, and we're gonna go ahead and pat that down. After the rice, it is time to layer in your seaweed. I got the large sheets. Feel free to get the small ones if you can't find these in stores. But all I did was cut these in half and layer them on top of the rice. And now it is time for our seafood mixture. Now, if you notice, mine was a bit watery, so I was trying to avoid that as much as possible. Obviously, it's impossible, but I did try to like let it drain a little bit before I put it on top of the seaweed. But all in all, it really does not matter. Don't stress about this part because what? We're going to cook it. Plus, the rice will absorb any extra liquids that you may have. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees, and we're gonna pop that right on in there just for a couple of minutes. Here is the leftover seafood mixture I have, and yes, I am going to use it. Don't worry about that. Right, I actually want to taste this raw. Obviously, it's cooked rice, but I want to taste this raw before it goes in the oven and see, like, because I honestly don't know the point of cooking this besides, I guess, making the mayo firmer. But I'm talking too much. Let's taste it before it goes in the oven, y'all. Oven is preheated to 400 degrees. But yeah, I'm just gonna dig in. Oh, this is hot. You know, the rice just came out the microwave, amen. Make sure I got a little piece of everything. Okay, here we go. Smile at it. Baby, I eat this just like this. I will eat this just like this. You can stop right here if you want to. But I'm gonna put it in the oven. Oh, but this is good just like that. One more piece. Hold on. Because all the flavors are there. I'm like, what is baking it gonna do? But it's called a sushi bake, so we're gonna bake it. Now I got a hole. I'm gonna fix this hole. I'm just gonna put some more filling in the corner because now we got a hole. Can y'all see it? I'm gonna fix it. We're gonna put the rest in the oven. All right, y'all, this was a really quick bake. I just baked it for 10 minutes and I broiled it for 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and add in our toppings to make it real cutesy, okay? My cocoa crew has made me real bougie, and we're gonna do some English cucumbers on top of here. Okay, bam. We're gonna do some avocado. Y'all know I suck at plating. If you're new to my channel, I suck at plating, but my food is good, I promise you. Look back at old videos, I got receipts. But the plating is gonna be terrible. The plating is gonna be bad, okay? I just realized I'm out of sriracha, so we're gonna use some of this hot chili sauce. Definitely would have preferred some skirt or some sriracha, but we ain't got that. That's all right, we here now. We here now. Lord, just trying to add color. I promise y'all it's gonna be good though. I have been cutting the same green onion for at least 6 months. So green onion. Okay, I didn't realize how much green was on top of here, but that's okay. That's all right. We're healthy. Some black sesame seeds. You know, it's just razzle dazzle, okay? We on razzle dazzle now. Some white sesame seeds. And because we already here, let's add some red pepper flakes. All this is optional. I'm just trying to make this look delicious. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm here to do. Y'all, it looks good. It's pretty. Honestly, it's still hot, so it's about the towels underneath. Oh, I'm so excited. Am I gonna burn my mouth for y'all? Yes, every time. Every single time. All right. I'm trying to find the corner I didn't scoop out of. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Smile at it when we burn our mouth. Hey, raw. I'm trying to see if it's any different, but it's just hot. Why did we bake this? And it's good, but I'm saying y'all know I tasted it before we put it in the oven. It's just hot now. Y'all, I know I sound slow. I do know the difference between raw and cooked. I just want you to know that the flavor did not make much of a difference to me, raw or cooked, but I do sound a little slow in this video when I keep saying, why y'all gonna cook it? Because Aaron, raw is not cooked. Raw and cooked is two different things. People want to cook it, okay? They don't want cold. So they cooked it, baby. They cooked it. With more delicious toppings. I don't see the point of baking it. Maybe it's, I don't know. I don't know. The rice is already cooked and packed down. Since we didn't use any animal flesh, we can just eat this straight out the package with the flavors. But you know, whatever. Whatever. I am just a home chef trying to show y'all things to make vegan life interesting. I don't know. This is so good though. This is so good. Hold on. We gotta put this in the seaweed. Be right back. I didn't show y'all putting it. It's in there. Y'all know I can't wrap. See, our piece and fell out already. But it's in there. Okay. I just wish I had a little dip. Maybe like some spicy mayo. Basically, again, I'm out of sriracha. But if you got some sriracha, your mayo, a little rice vinegar, mix that on up. Ooh, make a little dippy doo. Ah. All right, here we go. I just love sushi so much. I just need a dippy dip. I'm a sauce girl. I need a dippy dip. Oh, this is so good. All right, y'all. Anything else to say? Y'all make this. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Look at me about to bite again, girl. The big bag is strong. Bye, y'all. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you next time. Peace.